Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I am so excited to be sharing this video with you. A little bit of background first before we get into the unboxing. This is my first ever luxury purchase, and I actually purchased this back in October. I went to Europe with my family, and on the way back at the airport I decided to pick up this item because I could pick it up tax-free, duty-free. And this is an item that I have been thinking about for probably the past 4 years. I have been dreaming about this bag, thinking about it, and it might not be the most popular bag anymore, but to me this is just something that I know I would wear on an everyday basis, and it's something I put a lot of time into, and I decided to finally get it for myself because I had graduated my master's degree. I had just wrote like this really big accounting exam, and I was starting my full-time job, and I just wanted to get something to kind of commemorate all of those big moments, and I thought, what better time than to get it right now, and also that I can get it at a bit of a lower price because I'm getting it in Europe, so things are generally a little bit cheaper there, and then on top of that I'm getting it tax-free, which is big savings right there. So like I said, I did buy this in October, and I haven't touched it, I haven't worn it. I really wanted to share this and kind of document this unboxing, and I just kind of never got around to filming it, which means I've never had an opportunity to wear it yet. And even though we're in lockdown right now and not really going anywhere, restrictions are starting to kind of ease up, and as soon as I can I want to start wearing this bag. So I thought it would be a great time to appreciate what I have and to share this with you guys. So I'm sure you already saw it from the thumbnail, but it is a Gucci purchase. It came in this huge bag because I don't know why she packaged it like this. I told her it was like my first purchase, so she kind of gave me everything. So she gave me the box just so I could have it, but she didn't actually place the item in here. So completely empty, but I kind of just wanted it for that feeling. Like I said, this is the first luxury purchase I ever bought, so I kind of wanted everything that I could get with it. So she did give me the box, and I do have the receipt right here. And then I also have this smaller bag, so I'm not quite sure how I ended up with both, but that's what happened. So this is still like tied up with the ribbon. And this is it in the dust bag. I was like a little worried because it's just been sitting in the corner of my room for the past, I don't know, when was October? How many months ago? So it's been sitting there for quite a while. I was worried it might be losing its shape or be dented in, but it seems to be quite perky. I washed my hands like 10 times before filming this video because I didn't want anything to happen to this bag. I can't believe I'm holding it. Like my heart is fluttering right now. And this is it. I'm sure this is not a new bag to anyone. This is the Gucci Soho Disco, and in the black, and I'm just so happy. It comes with a tassel. I did check it out before I purchased it. I just kind of wanted to put everything back on so it would travel well. It was a very long flight from London back to Toronto, and oh my gosh, I'm so happy to see that it has held its shape. It is stuffed, which is great. So I was really nervous about that, and oh my gosh, it just looks so beautiful. It's an all leather strap. It's definitely just an everyday bag, and I really, really love it. Another reason why I knew I'd feel very confident carrying that bag every day is because this used to be my everyday bag, and I detached it, but it also came with the tassel, so I feel like this must have been very inspired by the Gucci bag. But just so you can see the size difference, so this used to be my everyday bag, and this is the Gucci, so it's a little bit bigger, which I do like. Like this could pretty much fit everything. I couldn't fit my long wallet in here, so that was kind of annoying, but I could fit phone, card holder, change purse, all that. So I don't know, I think my long wallet does fit in here. I tested it out before I purchased it, so I like this even that little bit more because it can fit my everyday essentials. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is an adjustable strap, which I like. I am on the shorter end, coming in at 4'10", so having an adjustable strap is like a big difference to me because even just being below the average height, this bag is going to wear a lot differently on me than it would most people. So having that adjustability so I can make sure that it is hitting me at quite the right length is very important to me. And this does have the gold hardware, but I wouldn't say it's like so much of a yellow gold. It seems like a lighter gold, which I like. I'm not a big yellow gold person. Most of my jewelry is silver or white gold, so I'm not too fussed about mixing like my jewelry metals with my bag metals. I wouldn't say gold is like usually my go-to, but I do think that black and gold looks so classic and so beautiful, so I have no issues with the hardware. So just taking everything out so we can see the inside, it is a linen lined bag. It has a slot here as well as on the other side. And here it is in its full glory with the covering off of the tassel. It is so beautiful. I'm definitely going to keep this stuff because I've heard that it can lose its shape quite quickly and start to indent and kind of sag, so I definitely will be keeping it stuffed. But I am so happy to have finally unboxed this and be sharing with you guys. I'm going to insert some modeling shots just so you can see what it looks like on me. I think I normally will be wearing this crossbody, but I could also wear it over one shoulder. I'm just so happy about it and so excited. I can't wait till I can start going out again and rocking that bag on an everyday basis, but recently I've gotten so into luxury goods. Like I said, I've been thinking about this piece for 4 years, but recently I have been getting more of an interest in designer goods and luxury goods, so I think that is something that I want to continue to explore and share with you guys. So if that interests you, then make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.